Check this out. Cleaning out for the second time the good condition headers that we bought on RC Canada. Look at all that shit coming out. Holy shit. And this is the second round, by the way. I already soaked these for 24 hours one time and soaked it for another 3 or 4 hours another time with degreaser, and this stuff works great, but man, get through the nooks and crannies, it takes a bit of work. Here, let me show you one that will be kind of like fresh. I'm going to fill it up here with water and watch what happens. Look at all that. By the way, that's all pieces of carbon. Yeah, not a good scene right here.